It's been here for years. Look at all this dust. It's seen better days. Check the engine bay. It's completely rusted out. We can't leave it like this. This car deserves better. You're right. Where do we start? We clean it up, then restore it. Let's do it. We can't leave it like this. I know, but it's a mess. We can fix it together. Yeah, let's do it. All right, main harness is out, hose is next. Copy, I'll get the crane ready. Okay, hook secure, lift it slow. Lifting now, watch the mounts. All right, all systems are green, let's fire her up. Come on, start smooth for me. Yes, perfect idle, she's purring. All right, here we go. Finally, what a beauty. Look at her shine!